Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana something went wrong error. Many users suddenly see this message while opening projects or tasks, and it usually happens because of browser cache, network issues, or temporary server glitches. First, refresh the page. Press Ctrl plus R and wait for Asana to reload. Sometimes the error is only temporary. Step 1, check your internet connection. Asana needs a stable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can trigger this error. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache often causes loading errors. Go to Browser Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, and clear cache and cookies for Asana. Step 3, restart your browser. Closing and reopening the browser applies the changes properly. Don't skip this step. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or security extensions may block Asana scripts. Turn them off temporarily and reload the page. Step 5, try incognito or private mode. This runs Asana without extensions or stored data. If it works there, cache or extensions are the issue. Step 6, turn off VPN or proxy. VPNs may block Asana connections or cause region conflicts. Disable it and log in again. Step 7, update your browser. Outdated browsers may not support Asana properly. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Finally, contact Asana support if the error continues. Share your browser, error message, and steps tried. Support can check server or account level problems. So yeah, fixing Asana something went wrong error is about refreshing the page, checking internet, clearing cache, restarting the browser, disabling extensions, using incognito, turning off VPN, updating the browser, and contacting support. Follow these steps, and Asana should work normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.